guys, it's Erin from Siren Heart Soap, and today we're going to be doing an activity with my sons. What's your name?
Nathan.
How old are you?
4.
4. And what's your name?
Marky.
Marky. Do you remember how old you are?
Marky.
Say, I'm 2.
I'm 2.
Yeah, you're 2. And today we're going to be doing, we got this kit from Brambleberry, the cute animal soap kit. They're very excited about this one. It comes beautifully packaged. I kind of wish I had left it in here to do it like an official unboxing, but it comes in this brown paper. Careful.
Can I pick one?
Oh, Dad, we just showed them what it looks like. So it comes packaged in that nice brown paper.
Nice brown paper.
And it comes with these very nicely printed directions. So I saw this and I definitely thought, whoop, careful, thought about my boys because they love doing soap. And melt and pour is a very child-friendly activity. So we're going to make some soap today. All right, so here's what is included with the kit. You get one of these great silicone molds. It's 6 cavities. Each has a different animal on it. It's very cute, very high quality. I'm a soap maker by trade, and so I've definitely seen my share of soap molds, and this is a very good, high quality one. I decided to splurge and get a second one because I've got 2 kids, and one thing that I have learned as a mom is sometimes you just need 2 of something. Then you get 1 pound of the clear melt and pour soap, 1 pound of the white melt and pour soap. You get you get some eco-friendly glitter. You get 2 half-ounce containers of, let's see, it looks like fragrance oils. We've got watermelon and a lime. And then we've got some color blocks, a Caribbean blue, non-bleeding fired up fuchsia, non-bleeding fizzy limeade. And these are going to be great, very easy to do with kids. And then the last thing is you get a couple of these little droppers to measure out the fragrance oil. And so since I'm a soap maker, I do know that we need a few other things in addition. These we're going to cut up just a little part of it to melt in. So I got my silicone, I got like just a silicone rolling mat that I have at our house. I'm probably going to have them pour over it as well, which is for easy cleanup because I'm a mom and I hate spending, oh, there's a bird outside. I hate spending extra time cleaning, but it's also going to be great for cleaning up. You need something to, just basically cut the color block. So I just have a dough scraper that I'm going to use, but you can use a knife, easy as well. Silicone spatula, and I've got some measuring spoons and then containers to melt your soap in. And then I do also recommend some, I've got 99% rubbing alcohol in a little spray bottle here. That's just a really easy way to pop all of the bubbles that would form on the surface of the soap, just to make it look a little nicer, but not totally necessary. What are you guys doing? Okay, so who wants to do the clear soap and who wants to do the white soap?
And to do the clear soap.
Okay, you get the white soap? Okay, we're going to do 1 soap at a time. So first, let's do the clear soap. So the first thing we're going to do
there we go.
is unmold the clear soap. Hold on, you get to help me too. Are you excited? Are you boys excited to do this Brambleberry kit?
And you could do this like this.
Yep, we're going to do this together. Are you excited? Say, thanks, Brambleberry.
Thanks, Brambleberry.
Yeah, I bought this kit with our own money. It's not a sponsored video or anything. I just love Brambleberry, so I thought this would be a fun kit to do with my kids.
Wow!
I know! Isn't that exciting? Okay, so let's put it on the mat. And first we have to cut and melt up the soap. So I'm just going to cut this into nice sized chunks. There we go. Are you so excited? Which animal mold are you most excited about?
Wow, look at the elephant and a cat and a monkey and a penguin and a frog and a dog.
Oh my goodness, there's so many animals. And then these nice pouring spouts, I just got these from Amazon, so I'll put a affiliate link down below so you guys can check it out if you're interested in something like that. And I think I got the silicone mat off of Amazon as well, so I can put that down below as well. Okay, I know. Oh, thank you for helping. Okay, help again. Push it down. Oh, man, you're so strong. Thank you for helping.
And I do the last one.
Okay, you want to put them in?
I can put 2 of them in.
Okay. All right, Marky, help me cut. There we go. And one more time, push down. Okay, Nathan, put them in the cup.
4.
There we go. Yeah, that's right. 4. Okay, and then let's
spray. Spray.
It's not ready for spraying yet, but let's move this closer to here.
And then we're ready. What's this fragrance?
We'll see in just a minute. Let's get set up and ready.
Well, what's this one called? Lime?
Yep, that one is lime and this one's watermelon. Hold on, Marky. So this is going to be Nathan's soap. All right, so now we're ready. We've got everything set up and close by. Nathan, do you want to put glitter in your soap too? Yeah? Everything's better with glitter, right, bud?
I put glitter in all the soaps.
Yeah, I think we'll put glitter in all the soaps because everything's better with glitter. So I'm going to pop this into our microwave, put the fragrance oils back down for 30-second bursts until it's all melted through. I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to melt. It's starting to melt, so make sure that you kind of mix it around so that it melts all evenly. You want to help?
I want to
Just
help.
be gentle because the more you kind of, if you move it around fast, then it'll create more bubbles in it. Okay, let go, Marky. We gotta microwave it one more time. I'll microwave it and then you can stir next time, okay? Okay. Yes, I think we're about there. So we finally got the soap just about all melted down. There's a couple tiny chunks in here, but it'll melt out with the residual. Marky, first it's Nathan's turn, and then it'll be Mark's turn, okay? You guys are doing a good job. Trying to be patient. Not in there. Not in there. Okay. Okay, so next, I think we're going to add the glitter. You said you wanted glitter, right? Hold on. Gentle stirs. We're going to add. It's okay. It's okay. We all help each other. Gentle. Nathan. And we're going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of some glitter for you, okay? Do you want to put the glitter in?
I want to.
I know. Hold on. Careful. There's the glitter. Okay, mix it in.
No, mix it fast.
Gentle. It's okay. He's doing a great job. Say thank you, Marky.
Thank you, Marky.
Okay. Now, Nathan, did you want to use the watermelon or the lime? Do you want to smell it?
Watermelon and lime. Whoa!
Here's the lime.
The watermelon and lime.
You want them mixed together? Oh, I bet that would smell really good. Okay, so you want both of them? We can do that. We can absolutely do that.
All of it.
Okay, so what we need to do is add 6 milliliters of fragrance oil into this, and each pipette has 3 milliliters. So 3 milliliters plus 3 milliliters is 6. So we're going to do 1 full pipette each of the watermelon and the lime, since Nathan wants both. So we're going to...
And one more time. We can smell it. Stop stirring. Stop stirring. Marky's keeping stirring.
It's okay.
Don't stir fast.
Okay, Nathan, this one's the watermelon. I need you to squeeze it in there. Careful. Marky, keep stirring. That was the watermelon. Ooh, does that smell yummy? And now 3 milliliters. Woo, of the lime. I'm gonna have to clean that up.
The lime.
Okay, squeeze that in there, please. There we go. Keep mixing, Mark. You're doing a great job.
Stirring.
How does that smell? You can smell both of them at the same time.
And it makes a smell of salmon.
Salmon? I don't think it smells like salmon.
Come on, smell it.
It smells like watermelon and lime. Okay, so we get to do 3 different colors. Okay, so we're going to divide it even-ish among these 3 containers. So hold on. You got to wait for Mommy, okay? All right. Nathan, that's your little color bit, so put the little color bit in here. Hold on. Oh, wait, that'll be one for Marky. Okay, and then we're going to mix it in. Hold on. What do you think?
It's making it blue.
It is making it blue.
Another piece of
Nope, nope, nope. This one's still melting, so put that back. We'll save that one for Marky. Marky can have some blue in his. Hold on. Wow.
It's blue all the way.
It's blue all the way. That's right.
And next,
Okay.
yellow.
So we'll do yellow. You want one that's just yellow, or do you want to mix the yellow and the pink, or the yellow and the blue?
I should mix the yellow and the blue.
Okay. So pop this little blue piece into this one.
And then
Hold on, Mark. You gotta wait your turn. Okay, I'll tell you when I'm ready. Okay. I'm gonna cut off another little bit of yellow.
can you move the arm?
Okay, and then put this yellow piece in the middle one. Into this one. Good job. Keep mixing. And then what color did you want for the last one?
Red.
Okay.
And yellow. And blue.
All 3?
And I went all 3 in mine too.
You want all 3 colors? I don't know what color that'll make. We'll have to see what color it makes. Do you think you'll like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here's the red. And this one. Ooh. Well, I guess that's going to turn this one like a purple because you put it in this one. Did you want to do another one that's just blue, or do you want to just keep mixing?
I want to do a one.
Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and
then
put Marky's white soap in the container and melt it down, and we'll be right back.
Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Are you excited? Okay.
Maybe stir it. Maybe stir it.
Okay, now it's time to add the glitter. Do you want glitter in it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Hold on. Careful, gentle mixing. Okay. Nate, did you want to help me pour in the glitter?
Mm-hmm. We have
There we go.
I want to mix it.
Yes, you can mix it. Marky, do you want it to be watermelon or lime? Which one?
Watermelon.
You want watermelon? Okay, we'll do watermelon for Marky's soap.
Well, mine is watermelon and lime.
It is. So we're going to do 2 of these.
Can help do this.
Yes, you can help with this part, Nate. Okay. Squeeze it all in. Okay, and then one more.
Let's do this by myself.
Squeeze it in there. Good job. And then this goes in the garbage. Can you put that in the garbage for me?
I'm making the bubbles.
Put it in the garbage.
Which
This one right here.
The glowing.
Just keep mixing in the fragrance.
Glowing.
Okay, you want to do it by yourself? You're a big boy? Okay, Marky, what colors do you want for your soap? Do you want one blue, one yellow, and one red?
Blue and red, and red, and yellow and red.
Oh yeah. Let's go. With one blue, one.
What's this?
Just a little bit of the melt and pour. We had a little accident, but no big deal. Okay.
Deal.
Okay, now mommy has to split it. Hold on. We're gonna pour a little bit into each soap. Careful, it's probably still warm.
And up.
Hold on, mommy has to look now and see if they're even. Okay. Hold on, hold on.
Wow, that's too many. Wow, too many babies.
Okay.
Soaps. Again, how look at too many babies.
Okay, Marky, first we've got your blue soap. Hold on, put those down. Thank you. Look at your blue soap. Okay, which animals do you want to be blue? Pick 2 animals.
Like, do you
No,
want
no, no.
the monkey and the cat?
Which animals do you want to be blue? Which ones? Which animals should be blue? Look at your soap. Which animals do you want to be blue? This one's ready.
This one would be
Yeah, it's all ready. Where do you want to pour it?
right there.
The doggy.
And the monkey.
And the monkey. Good choice.
This is gonna be blondie. And I think he will choose the cat and the elephant too.
Looks like we got a little bit extra, so we'll make the froggy have a blue face.
A blue face.
Okay. And then next we'll do this one.
Yellow. 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 Wow, look at that.
And we gotta spray it so that there's no bubbles. There we go.
Mom?
Yes, sweetie. I love you too, sweetheart. Okay, I'm gonna melt this just a little bit more.
And make ready monkey. Yeah. Monkey.
Oh yeah, this one's a nice kind of tealy green.
It's making bigger. It's making bigger.
Okay,
And
where should where should we pour this? Where should we pour this one?
In the frog.
Frog.
Just gonna make bigger.
And a penguin. Hold on. There you go. And then let's spray them.
Wow, this is gonna be a bubble to pop.
Okay, and then let me just warm this one up just a little bit. A nice fun pink soap. Look at that, isn't that beautiful?
Wow, look at that.
I know, isn't that great? Shh, Nathan, I don't like that sound. Can you please stop?
Look at that. It's getting, okay.
Isn't that pretty? It's like a bubblegum pink, huh?
A bubblegum.
Okay, now it's time to pour.
Yuck. A bubblegum pink. 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 Get all of it on the elephant. All of it on the elephant.
Okay, and then we just gotta spray to pop those bubbles. And Marky, yours is all ready now. So now is the hardest part of making melt and pour soap. Now we have to wait for it to get hard. So I think these guys are gonna go play for a bit and then I'll clean up and we'll show you guys how we unmold these and what they look like. Thanks, we'll see you soon. Boys, say see you soon.
See you soon. Oh, yeah.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
We're back. Marky took a quick little nap, had a quick little snack, and our soaps are hard. So now we get to unmold them. So the first thing that we're gonna do, Nathan, we're gonna pull the silicone just a little bit to get some air on the sides. Then we're gonna flip it over. There we go.
And
tucking the sides.
the one is an
Flip
elephant,
it over.
and one is a cat,
And then we
one
start
is a monkey,
and then we're gonna start pushing down the animals' faces,
and the one,
and they're gonna pop out.
another one is a dog, and another one is a
Look at your little monkey. Which one do you want first?
penguin. Elephant.
You want the elephant first?
Wow, that's amazing.
Look at that elephant! Okay, which one do you want next, Nathan?
The cat.
The cat? Okay.
Wow. Whoa. It's getting a little bit more cooler.
There it is. There's your kitty cat. Show the camera.
This is the pussy cat.
That's a pussy cat? Okay. Marky, which one next?
Penguin.
The penguin? Okay, let's see how your penguin came out. Look at that little penguin.